Córdoba, located in Andalusia, has a rich history dating back over 2 millennia. Founded as a Roman colony in the 2nd century BC, it became an important provincial capital in the Roman Empire. Following the Roman era, Córdoba experienced a period of Visigothic rule until the Moors conquered the Iberian Peninsula in 711 AD. By 756 AD, Córdoba had become the capital of the Emirate of Córdoba. Under the Umayyad dynasty, especially during the reign of Abd al-Rahman III, the city flourished into one of the world's largest and most prosperous cities, renowned for its culture, learning, and architecture. Córdoba was a hub of intellectual life, attracting scholars from across the Muslim world and Europe. Its golden age saw significant advancements in various fields, making it a beacon of knowledge and culture. In 1236, Córdoba was reconquered by Christian forces under Ferdinand III of Castile. This marked a significant shift in the city's history, leading to the blending of Islamic and Christian influences that still characterize Córdoba today. Although the city's influence waned in later centuries, its historical and cultural legacy endured, earning it UNESCO World Heritage status in 1984. Today, Córdoba is a vibrant city that seamlessly blends its diverse heritage, offering visitors a unique journey through time. The Roman Bridge, a historic icon of Córdoba, spans the Guadalquivir River and dates back to the early 1st century BC. Originally built by the Romans, this 247-meter-long bridge features 16 arches and showcases remarkable ancient engineering. Over the centuries, the bridge has seen numerous restorations, blending its Roman origins with medieval fortifications. The Calahorra Tower at the southern end adds to its historical charm. Today, the Roman Bridge is a pedestrian-only pathway, offering stunning views of the city and the Guadalquivir River. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, photography, and soaking in the historical atmosphere. As you walk across this ancient structure, reflect on the countless generations that have passed over it, connecting the rich history of Córdoba. The Jewish Quarter, located in the heart of Córdoba's historic center, is a fascinating maze of narrow, winding streets, whitewashed buildings, and charming courtyards. This area is a testament to the rich cultural tapestry of Córdoba, reflecting its vibrant Jewish heritage from the medieval period. During the Middle Ages, the Juderia was home to a thriving Jewish community. Jews, Christians, and Muslims coexisted in Córdoba, contributing to a period of remarkable cultural and intellectual exchange. The Jewish community played a significant role in the city's development, excelling in various fields such as medicine, philosophy, and trade. As you wander through the Juderia, you'll encounter the historic Synagogue of Córdoba, one of the few remaining medieval synagogues in Spain. Built in 1315, this small but significant building features beautiful Mujar architecture and intricate plasterwork, showcasing the artistic talents of the time. Nearby, the Casa de Sepharad, or House of Sepharad, offers deeper insights into the Jewish history of Córdoba. This cultural center and museum preserves and promotes the Sephardic heritage through exhibits and events, highlighting the contributions of the Jewish community to the city and beyond. Another notable site is the statue of Maimonides, the renowned Jewish philosopher and physician born in Córdoba in the 12th century. His works continue to influence Jewish thought and philosophy to this day. The Alcazar, a stunning fortress and palace, dates back to the 14th century and was commissioned by King Alfonso XI. This historic site served as a residence for Christian monarchs and played a significant role during the Spanish Inquisition. As you explore the Alcazar, you'll encounter beautiful gardens, impressive towers, and the Hall of Mosaics, showcasing Roman artifacts. The fortress offers breathtaking views of the Guadalquivir River and the city. The Alcazar's lush gardens, featuring fountains and meticulously manicured hedges, provide a serene escape, reflecting the blend of Gothic and Mudéjar architectural styles. The Mezquita-Catedral is one of the most stunning and historically significant monuments in the world. Originally built as a mosque in the 8th century by the Umayyad dynasty, it became one of the largest and most magnificent mosques of its time. The mosque's architecture features a vast hypostyle hall with nearly 850 columns made from jasper, onyx, marble, and granite. These columns support horseshoe-shaped arches, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. In the 13th century, after Córdoba was reconquered by Christian forces, the mosque was converted into a cathedral. This transformation introduced Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque elements to the building, resulting in a unique blend of architectural styles. The central nave, with its elaborate choir stalls and intricate ceiling, reflects the Christian influence, while the mihrab, an exquisitely decorated prayer niche, remains a highlight of the original mosque. As you explore the Mezquita-Catedral, you'll witness the seamless integration of Islamic and Christian art and architecture, symbolizing the rich, diverse history of Córdoba. Plaza del Potro, a charming historic square, dates back to the 15th century. The square is named after the bronze statue of a colt or potro that stands at its center. This picturesque plaza has a rich history and has been mentioned in literary works, including Miguel de Cervantes' Don Quixote. Surrounding the square, you'll find the Museo de Bellas Arts, showcasing fine arts, and the Posada del Potro, a former inn that now houses a flamenco museum. Strolling through Plaza del Potro, you'll experience the timeless ambience and cultural heritage that make this square a beloved spot in Córdoba.